Guess who's still doing my dress? Today is prom. Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys my face, my serious face. Okay? Today is my prom day. I told this girl a year in advance that I want my dress done so I won't have to worry on the day of prom. And you know when she starts doing my dress? The day before prom. You should be ashamed. You surprised me. Look at her.
If I did it early, then you wouldn't be surprised, right?
No. Oh my God, no. That's not how it works. Okay. You know how many people ask me, like, "Yo, Chevanie, do you have a dress yet?" No. Like, why? Prom is tomorrow. I know. I know. Like,
that's a sad story.
Yeah. Just like, so when is it gonna be done? It better be done by literally, I guess, a few hours before, because that's what she always does. She waits till the last minute.
It always gets done.
Whatever. But yeah, when she finishes it, I'll be less stressed. But right now, yeah, I would have started yesterday, but prom stuff is just not going so well to be vlogging. And yeah, right now
That's fake. You never heard of that one?
What's that? Yikes. But yeah, I'm about to go and get my toes.
Let me show the world my messy room. It's only messy because
I'm by the wall.
Okay.
Okay. But yeah. So right now,
I'm right here making prom dress.
Yeah, as you should. So right now, I'm about to go to the nail salon and get my toes fixed. Okay, my toes refixed because my my big toe wanted to get messed up, and so yeah, it's not cute. But I feel like wearing some flats right now, especially so it won't get messed up when I come back home. So right now I'm about to, so these are my nails, and this is not what I wanted. I'll probably put a picture of what I actually wanted from the nail salon, because this is totally different. The only thing I wanted were stilettos, and they told me, not in advance, that they did not have the acrylic powder that should have been used for what I wanted. And on top of that, they didn't even have the gold that I wanted for my nails, but it's whatever. I mean, it still looks good, but it's not what I wanted. And on top of that, I don't know how much it fully will. Well, it doesn't fully match my dress, but I mean, it's whatever. And I kind of was forced to change the color of my toes because I wanted a different color. It's alright. It's alright. You know, I'm gonna get through this. But I'm in love with my hair though. So shout out to Lynn for doing my hair and slaying it. I can't, give any compliments to my sister because she didn't finish anything yet.
Shout out to
but yeah.
your sister in your future dress.
Future.
Can I get a shout out too? Damn, shit.
You're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to earn it. But what's it called? I hate how I'm sick. Like, I get sick the week before prom. But yeah, all I know is that I'm about to eat a roti, and I hope that my nails don't turn me up.
Yeah, madam, you better buy that for me.
You know there are two. You tried it.
My roti.
I should just eat both of them.
Thank you.
All I'm doing is putting it in the microwave.
Alright.
So, and it's too early for roti, to be honest.
Can I get a half then? Actually, maybe that's too early. Okay, I'll be able to.
It is, but I'm going to be outside.
It is early for me. Alright.
So that's why I'm eating it now.
And then
Yes, and I don't want no curry stain on my dress.
It might blend in, You ever heard of avant-garde?
I hate her. I hate her.
Everybody hates when I use that word avant-garde.
You use it in the worst terminology.
DJ hates when I said it's gonna be avant-garde.
And there's my sister, guys. So tell me how I just went to a nail salon and I did my nails again, and then they got messed up when I was on the train because I was rushing. So things are just going bad, to be honest. And now I am about to go to the store to get some buttons, and hopefully I can make it back in time just so I could go and do my makeup and do everything else and get this dress done. So I finally just got my dress at Social Apparel for my after party, and hopefully all goes well on this one. I just did a whole entire runaround because I literally just went on the train, and then my sister told me that I have to get a bodysuit that goes with my dress. So I had to, and I was almost home, and then so I had to get back on the train to the opposite side just to come back to the city, just to go find a bodysuit. And it was just like, I'm just wasting so much time, and my makeup is not even done. My makeup, my dress, nothing is done. It was just like stressing me out. And then on top of that, when I did my toes,
Ladies and gentlemen,
just got messed up, and I'll even have
D train on Knox Running between 59th Street and
So, like, no. Let's see. It's 6:54. My dress is not done. My makeup's not done. You know, I ain't got that much time. Everybody's staring at me like, what's going on? You better hurry up. But so far I got my eyebrows done. That's an accomplishment. So, yeah. You know, my sister's there. She's probably gonna yell at me because she looks ratchet. My sister's friend. Hi. And yeah. And now my other sister. Okay. Now my other sister is snapping me. I have no idea why.
I thought you had a look planned.
I had I know what eyeshadow. Well, something that I'm using. Not everything. I don't even know what my earrings are.
I think there's some earrings on the bed.
You think
Is
she
it
found
long?
it? Yeah.
Yeah, there's earrings on the bed. There's two. There was a stud and then long ones.
No
What
long.
ones are you wearing? The long ones?
Yeah, the
It
long.
has pinkish in it.
No.
Oh no, that's the one I was on the bed though.
You talking about the long ones that I have?
No, long ones that I brought. And your mom probably threw it out by accident. It's the life that Chevanie lives. Okay.
You put primer?
No, I just used the concealer as a primer. So now I need to do this glitter crease. Like, yay!
In the back.
Okay, now I'm back to actually putting on my camera.
Okay. Let me just stand up. Yeah, I'm gonna stand up and just show you. They're gonna just see movement and it's gonna be like, who that? Nobody.
Oh my
The
god.
entourage.
Right?
For the
I got one thing down, which is my eyes. That took years to do, and now I'm about to do my face. So let's see what's going to happen. To be honest, I don't know. Everything is risky.
Where's the comb?
Listen, I don't know where anything is at all. I can't even find my earrings.
I know, I really could be able to.
Oh, Mr. Black! You're that
I fix
annoying.
my brows. You have nerve to put the camera only on you. I just got paid Thursday, so it was good.
I get my braces all up.
We'll crop that out.
You better crop it out because when I watch the video, I better see it.
To be honest, I don't think I'm gonna crop it out.
30 roll up in there like.
Wow, man, think it come with
No, I'm not
eye glue. It don't
I have eye glue.
Okay, good.
You have many choices of eye glue,
I
Chevy.
don't want eye glue. I see eye glue.
That's it. You gonna try the white one or the black eye adhesive?
This is the black adhesive, but it dries really quickly and it cleans up quickly.
Do me eyelash.
That's too pretty.
Yo, I know how to put it. I'm like, oh my god.
And you know when it's like a moment you get too nervous.
Yo, she wanted me to do her. When I said, hold on.
That's with my eyelashes close enough. So.
Let's wish me luck then.
If it doesn't work over, put it under.
Right.
Try putting it under.
This.
I don't know how to do that under trick.
Just put it under.
Under? I never did.
I don't know that. She's
put it under.
I don't know how to, so
we gonna figure it out. Just put it under.
No, I want to mess the eyes more putting it under.
No, it's not gonna mess it because it's not even gonna touch the glitter.
I didn't even like how you did it when you did it under one time. I don't know how to do it under.
I never. Right.
I'm even afraid to hold it. Like
we're done with it.
Hey, I'm back.
Okay, I'm gonna do it now. Don't move.
I'm back.
See how I need your help when I say to help me.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
no, oh my god, look, and she's doing it with the.
I'm not gonna hold it for
She's
too long.
doing it
With the tweezer.
with the tweezer. Kim, just do it.
I don't use a tweezer. I place it with the tweezer, then I use my hand. Kim, you could do it then. See, I'm just talking too much. She's scared.
Come on, guys. I don't got that much
I
time.
do this almost every day.
I'm supposed to be there at 8 o'clock. It's 7:41.
Early to prom.
Guys.
I went to prom for an hour. Like.
Okay, but I have to get there. It takes an hour to get there.
I'm getting in the car with you anyway because I live down the block.
It's 7:41, guys.
Give me the glue.
What do you ask?
Ooh, I'm telling your mother you ain't here cursing.
What eye?
Okay. That is
The left eye?
the
Right
right eye.
Look at me.
What do you use this for?
I should use some cheap ass lashes that don't got like so flimsy.
So you got some good lashes?
It looks fine. Like
Well, I'll call him later.
Alright, so boom, guys. This is my eyelashes. One is under, the other one's over.
I'm finished straightening her.
We'll just leave it like
There's mad
this.
noise in
Yo,
here.
so
Right?
like, it is
you're
Yo,
being.
8 o'clock.
Yo, when my father
Stop,
talks
stop
to
it.
me.
8
Okay, telling them the time no help.
8 o'clock.
They can't bring you right there and snap the fingers in 1, 2, 3.
I mean,
Right? Where's the horsey carriage? Like,
it's 8 o'clock, guys. My dress is not even done yet.
Yes, it is.
yes,
done.
it is. Be
It's not
quiet.
even done yet.
I just. What if this is mad white on my face?
I don't know what to tell you. Take it off.
How do I do it?
Mad.
Just drop it down.
If you drop it on those pants,
Just a little
I'm gonna
bit,
be mad
it's
for
just
you.
a little bit of drops. Don't drop too much because you're gonna have to.
What she?
I
What?
know you don't like. I know you don't like to blend.
Listen, I'm a celebrity every day. You understand? We like the Kardashians, just
The black ones.
yeah. We just don't have the money yet. We need a Kris Jenner to make us spruce it up like Bruce. I'm like a rapper as well.
First off, why is she doing her makeup on
You
my
told
day?
me that I could have it.
Okay.
I'm not gonna leave and not
Try it on.
have it on. Like,
She's mad annoying. Like, seriously.
Oh, Shawty named our conversation.
well, I named your conversation.
Oh.
Sade would not name it. Like,
Yeah, I was like, you named it? Like, what? Am I in the right chat?
hopefully she doesn't get it mixed up. I don't like this. Is it? I don't know. I feel like because she has something on this already. Maybe.
Do you have something to wet?
Chevy, that's what you do to your face?
Huh?
That's what you do to your face? You just gotta clean it, right?
I didn't even put foundation on yet.
Oh, I just want to verify.
Spray you.
Jesus.
Why? What's she trying to say,
Why
huh?
is the mirror wet?
Why is what?
It's good that you work your
I'm
hair
just
straight.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's good to just be simple, no curl.
Oh yeah, that was from.
Yeah, you did.
That was for a regular day. It was as a field trip. You guys take a picture of me doing my work?
Yes.
Yeah, take a picture of what she put in the dress so she will learn another lesson.
See the side, make sure it's clear. So I don't want to pull on it. I just love it.
Oh, my phone died.
I had a charger in my room. Where the charger? In my room. Where the charger phone?
Yo, this is mad